Hello, dear kids. Welcome to English and today we will learn about the sound mm. This is the letter N and its sound is mm. So let's say the sound 10 times. Mm, 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 mm. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's say some words that starts with the sound mm. Nut, nut. Nail, nail. Nose, nose. Nap, nap. Neck, neck. Newspaper, newspaper. Ninja, ninja. Noise, noise. Noodles, noodles. Note, note. Notebook, notebook. Numbers, numbers. Nurse, nurse. Whoa, so many words we have learned today, and now let's check our knowledge. Let's try to add sound in these words and try to make a new word. So let's start the guessing. Ice, ice. What it can be? It is nice, nice. Ale, ale. And when we add to it, it will become nail. All right. The next is umber, umber. And when we add to it, it becomes number, a number. Next is aim, aim. Oh, so if we add to it, it becomes name, name. Interesting game, isn't? And as usual, it's clap time. So we will be clapping each word according to the number of syllables or sounds in the word. Nap, nap. 9, 9. Net, net. Nest, nest. Nail, nail. Whoa! It was fun learning so many words with sound. Now, how we will be doing the practice today? We have to label 5 things in our house. So you can make 5 small paper cutouts with written on it, and then you can paste it on any 5 things which starts with sound in your house. So, bye bye for today, and we will meet again in the next session. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.